And now for this one here, suppose a simple random sample of size 75 is obtained from a population whose size is 15,000 and whose population with a specified characteristic proportion is zero point 0.7. Complete parts A through C below. Describe the sampling distribution of p hat. Yeah. Uh, for a simple random sample size such that n is less than 0.05 n, uh, so it's less than 5% of the population. The shape of the distribution, sampling distribution of the proportion, sample proportion, is approximately normal. Determine what 5% of the population would be. So they have 5%, 0.05 times 750. Okay. Then you can evaluate it there. N times P times 1 minus P is 15.75. And in this case here, that is going to be greater than 10. Okay, so the shape of the uh, sample proportion is approximately normal. The mean is the same as the population. The mean is the same as the population. The sample mean is population mean. Determine the standard deviation of the sampling distribution of p hat. So there's a formula there for standard deviation here for sample proportion. Okay. And then I plug in, and this gives me my sample proportion, the standard deviation for the sample proportion there. And I get 0.5295. What is the probability? They ask for the probability here in part B of obtaining x equal 54 individuals with this characteristics. So it's a probability that the proportion will be greater than 0.72. Okay. So we can open up StatCrunch. Go to Stat and Calc and to normal. So they've given us a mean of what, 0.7, and the standard deviation of 0.05. Five 2915. Okay. Oh yeah. And p hat is, what's that? Is greater than 0.72. 0.72. And I want to know what that area is going to be there for part B. And I get 0.3527. What do they have here? And that's what they have there, 0.3527 for part B. And then for part C, it's probability that 48 or fewer with that characteristic. Okay. Probability that p hat is going to be less than 0.64. So I have that there. And normal calculators and then normal. And I have my mean at 0.7, and my standard deviation 0.05, 2915, and it's less than or equal to 0.64, and I hit compute again. And I get 0.1284, which is what they have there. Okay. And that's the end of that problem there.